We're going to do lesson 52 today. We did two special sounds on Friday. The k in chorus, right? K in chorus shows up in words like these: ache, Christ, echo. We also looked at the f in phone. And you see these in words like gopher or phrase. Today, we're going to talk about some new special sounds. We're going to talk about the ought in thought. Now, this is a long one, okay? O-U-G-H-T. Ought. One special sound, okay? Ought. Let's look at these words. You say it first, and then I'll say it. Bought, fought, brought, sought. Okay? Sought. What does that mean? Sought means that you looked for. Okay? If somebody sought out a new house, it means they went to go look for a new house, if that makes sense. So, ought in thought. O-U-G-H-T. But again, one of these things, look at this, very tricky. Ought in thought, ought in caught. It's A-U-G-H-T, and it sounds the same, right? Ought in caught, ought in caught, ought in thought. So let's look at the ought in caught for a minute. A-U-G-H-T. Don't get confused and just see the aw and think it's the aw in faucet, because the rest of it, ought, the rest of it counts. It's a special sound because you don't even hear the GH. Ought, right? Weird. So let's say these together. Taught, naughty, caught, daughter, daughter. Okay? Very good. Actually, you know what? You will need a piece of paper. Get a piece of paper and a pencil and something to bear down on, and push play when you're ready to go on. All right, here we go. Now, you don't have to do this part on paper. We're going to do this part out loud, so don't worry about writing it down. I just want to go through these words and circle some special sounds with you, okay? So you think about what you would circle, and then we'll talk about it. Brought, brought. What's the first special sound that you see? I see the burr in bride, right? And I see ought in thought. Is that what you would have done? In naughty, what do we have? Ought in caught and E in baby, right? And then fought only has one special sound. Ought in thought. Got it? Now, this is going to be kind of a short lesson because the last thing that we're going to do today is I'm going to say a sentence and you are going to concentrate on what I say first. And then you're going to try to write the sentence in as correctly as you can. So try to get the spelling right. Think about all the things you know about sentences. We've been talking a lot about things that a sentence has to have, and sometimes I'm still seeing some sloppy work when we're doing things like in other subjects where you're not doing the things I know you know how to do. So work on this, do your best, and then we'll check it. All right, the sentence is, you ready? Get your pencil ready? Jan watched the farmer plant his corn. Jan watched the farmer plant his corn. And I'm going to say it one more time. I want you to push pause so that you can get it done, okay? Jan watched the farmer plant his corn. Okay. If you push play, it means that you've done the sentence, right? And you're ready for us to talk about it. So let's see. I want you to check, and I want you to be really picky, because we're going to look at capital letters and punctuation. And we're going to look at spelling too, because these, we use things that I know that we've talked about. Jan is a capital J, Jan. Watched, it's the ch in patch. Okay, watched. Make sure you didn't put a T at the end. Watched. It's the T in looked. Okay? And the way that you know that is because you know watched has a root word and a suffix. Watch, watched. Okay? And a suffix isn't just adding a T to the end, so you know it's going to be an ED. Jan watched the farmer, right? ER. Plant his corn, or in morning, and a period at the end. Okay. That's your grammar lesson. Your phonics lesson. I will see you in class tomorrow.